Hello and welcome to Child Care Seer's parent orientation video. In this video, we are going to talk about everything to do with payments. If you have not had the opportunity to view our previous videos that talk about our desktop overview or our mobile app overview, I recommend that you do so to make yourself familiar with how Child Care Seer operates and how easy it is to use for a family. All right, let's get started. So in this video, we are going to work primarily out of the Money tab. And as you can see in the Money tab, we have options to look at all your payments, view anything related to your wallet, meaning loads or transfers or payments, your automatic payments that are set up, which we will do so together to show you just how easy it is, and your payment methods. As you can see from my screen for payment methods, I already have a card stored on file to pay my child's tuition each week. And for demonstration purposes, we're going to go through how you can set up an ACH. Simply click on Add ACH, read the processing terms and conditions, and if you agree, select Agree. If you don't, please select Cancel. We have two options to get you set up through ACH. We have an instant method through Plaid, which if your bank is not supported, you would not be able to use this method. For manual, you would select here, which we're going to do now to show you what that looks like. You will enter in your name. You will enter in your routing number. You will enter in your account number, and please make sure that these are accurate or else it will mess up the process of getting your account verified. And you will hit Add. Once you hit Add, please read this disclosure about the next steps. You will receive two very minimal deposits into your bank account that can range anywhere from 1 cent up to 20 cents. Once they appear on your online statement in 1 to 2 business days, so please keep in mind if you do this on a Saturday, it may not process until Monday, Tuesday, or even Wednesday of the next week, depending on if there is a holiday, for those exact amounts. Once you receive those amounts, you will be able to click on the blue Verify button, which we will see in just a moment. Enter those amounts as it appears on your online statement in order to complete the ACH verification process. We will click Done, and you will see here that you have it and it's waiting for verification. This is where you will come back and hit that blue Verify button. You will enter in the first amount and the second amount, and then hit Verify. Once you are verified, you can use this for automatic payments or to pay your weekly tuition manually. All right, since we have our ACH here waiting for verification and our managed card, which is our card on file, we're going to go to automatic payments, and we are going to set up our universal auto pay. So universal auto pay is simply that. Any fees that are on your account from either a late pickup, an extra charge, a supply fee, your tuition will automatically get paid through on the card or the ACH selected anywhere between 2 and 5 a.m. the following morning from the day before. This is helpful to keep your account in good standing with your child care center. So we will do Jacob, we will use my card on file, and we will hit Save. So this means that any services that are unpaid will automatically process in the very early morning hours to keep my account in good standing. If you click on the 3-dot menu, you can pause it, you can change it, or you can delete it at any time. In your wallet, which let me explain a little bit what wallets are. They are essentially a holding spot for funds, whether you want to pay in advance for your tuition, you share financial responsibilities with another parent or family member, or your child may have an event at your center, such as a book fair or a pizza day or a movie day or night that you want to pay for without it reflecting out of your tuition. That is what you will use your wallet for. You can load your wallet to pay your weekly tuition if you set it up in that fashion, or you can use your wallet as just a holding spot for extra funds. Anytime that a payment is made out of your wallet to your child, you will see it here and where it was deducted and sent to. In all payments, it is just that. You will see every payment made. If there are multiple services or transactions on a simple payment, then you just click the arrow of that service and it'll tell you what that payment covered. You can also download a financial statement if needed for any reimbursements through your employer or for your personal records. You can do that as a PDF or a CSV file. And during tax season, we have that all-important tax report that we can generate. You can select the year for all of your children or just one child, and you can also select the payers on the account. Then you will select the box to send this report to you. It'll generate in your Seer inbox as well as going to your email. Now let's go take a look at our profile. And we're going to go right here to this finance section, which I talked about in our desktop overview video. And we are going to select load. So what I'm going to do is I am going to load $25 into the account. My center has a parents' night out that's coming up, and I'm going to use these funds for that purpose. So in this note, I am going to type parents' night out. That way I know why I loaded $25 into that account. And as this processes, you will notice that it will be reflected in my wallet balance here very shortly. And there it is, the $75. Now, if I wanted to use that $25 specifically for my son Jacob, who is participating in Parents' Night Out, all I'm going to do is select Transfer Money. I'm going to put that $25 in the tab. I'm going to select who that is for. I'm going to make another note for Parents' Night Out, and I'm going to transfer that money to my son Jacob. Now to see that, I can click on Jacob's name, and as his page loads, I can see that his wallet balance now has $75 in it, and I can have that money be used for Parents' Night Out. All right, let me go back to my profile, and we're going to click on this down button in Finance, and we are going to look at Set Up Automatic Wallet Load. So here, you can have it be weekly or monthly. I'm going to set it to weekly. I'm going to set it, my tuition for my center is due on Thursdays for the upcoming week. So I'm going to select Thursday. I'm going to select my start date to be next week. And I'm going to put my child's tuition amount. I'm going to select my card because my ACH is not verified yet. If my ACH was verified, you would see that option there. I'm going to select the card I have on file, and I'm going to hit save. And then it will let you know that I have an automatic load set up to start every week on Thursday for my child's account. And you will see that displayed here on auto loads. Now, with all the different variations in payments and all the information you can see, it's very easy to keep track of everything you have going on simply by visiting your Money tab. You can adjust automatic payments at any time. You can add or change your payment methods at any time. You can always check on your wallet loads and visit your all payments method. If at any time in your payment processing that you stumble across a question or are having difficulty, you can either seek out your center director for assistance, or if it's after school hours, you can visit our help button. Type in your message, select how you want to be contacted by one of our customer success members, and hit send. As soon as that message is received, if it's within normal customer service hours, you will receive an email or a phone call back, depending on the method you chose, to get you settled in your payments. We thank you for being part of the Child Care Seer family, and we look forward to seeing you in our other videos.